Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is HP DeskJet 3772. This is world's smallest all-in-one printer out there. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. This printer is DeskJet 3772. It's actually for US audience, but I'm reviewing this printer. This printer was sent to us here, so what we're doing is just to review it. This is the power cable included in the packaging, 2-pin power cable, but the power cable I'm using now is UK1 3-pin. This is the ink cartridges that came with this printer. 65 is what is using, 65 triple colors and black. You can also use 65 extra. This printer, you can connect it using your mobile device via HP Smart app. You can scan, copy and print with this printer. This printer is also got 6 months ink. Your printer comes with 6 months free of instant ink. You download the HP Smart app by scanning QR code or visiting hpsmart.com. Create an HP account and connect to Wi-Fi during printer setup. Enter shipping address to receive a welcome kit in the mail. So this is 6 months. After that, a monthly fee will be charged automatically unless you cancel. So you can select the one you want. You never know that, and save up to 50% on ink. Flexible plan to meet your need. So you can select 5 to print 5 pages a month for $0.99, or 50 pages a month for $3.99, or 100 pages document a month for $5.99, or 300 pages document a month for $11.99, or 700 pages document a month for $24.99. You can change or cancel this anytime. Okay, this is HP Instant Ink. This printer deserves your attention. So basically what I want to do is to give you information you need about this printer. Okay, then we'll show you. In Europe here we have HP DeskJet 3760, but this one in particular is HP DeskJet 3772. You can print, scan and copy and connect it to web. And from features here is what I want to show you. You can use this button is for you to copy color. This button is for you to copy black, and this is the information button. You can see Wi-Fi light is highlighting, it's flashing, and this is to resume, and this button here is for you to cancel. This is Wi-Fi direct, or when you connect your printer, this will also show. You can see inside this printer right now, you can see a light flashing. You can see amber light here for resume, and also highlighting that the ink is not yet installed. Okay, so what I'm going to, this is for you. This is the real paper tray for you to install for you to load the paper you are using. So you can use 5 by 7, 13 by centimeter, 4 by 6, 10 by 6, 15 A4 paper. So you can use various sizes of paper. Okay. And what I want to show you is also to show you this printer. You can print your document from here. Okay, now if you open it, this printer up, the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle for you to change it or for you to replace it. Okay, so this is where the ink goes. So at the moment, and this printer, you switch this printer on and off from here. So you switch, this is the on and off button. This is the real paper tray, and from the back, this is the smallest printer. From the back, this is the power cable. It's connected to the power 3-pin power cable. The one for US audience is 2-pin. So this is the one that came with this printer, but I'm in UK, so I'm using 3-pin. Okay, but the power cable pretty much the same thing, and this printer also is function. It's on right now, so it can function in US or UK. Only what you need to do is switch the gadget on and you follow the instruction. this button here is for USB cable. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. Like I mentioned earlier, this printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi or USB cable, but the USB cable is not included. So they expect you to connect this printer using Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. Okay, so what we want to do is to show you how to install the ink. This printer, the ink that came with it is ink number 65. Okay, so you can use 65 or 65 extra large. Okay, depending on what you want to do. So you switch this printer on, and what we want to do is to install the ink. So we're just gonna wait for this, okay, to the light to come on, and once the light is on, okay, so to install the ink, just need to open up this, okay, and once you open it up, the ink holder, like I said, will come in the middle for you to change it. So I'm going to start. There is a sticker here for color, 65 color and 65 black. So the color goes to the left and black goes to the right. Okay. So this is how to install the ink. So this is, let me open it up. Once you open it up, okay, so this is the black color. You can see this is the black, 65 black. Only what you need to do is just pull it off, okay, then go in. Okay, once you're in, push it upwards, okay, and the ink, go in, push it upwards. Do the same thing to the triple color. Okay, just need to pull. So you can use 65 or 65 extra. This is triple color, which consists cyan, red and yellow. Then you go in, push it upwards, okay, and once it's in, use your hand to check if it's falling off. Make sure everything is inside. If you want to remove it, just press down, and the ink will be out. So to put it back, just need to go in, push it upwards, okay, go in, it's in. So close it. So once you close it, just need to give it a time for the printer to be recognized. Okay, if you, now I can see what is showing us now. Okay, is just highlighting the Wi-Fi and information button, but the ink is no longer, there was a light here for the ink, okay, it's no longer highlighting. So the ink is, and you can see it's moved away from the corner, okay, to show you that it's installed correctly. So this is how to install the ink. The next we need to do is we need to sort out, okay, load the paper tray and follow the instruction to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.